Short and sweet, solving equations with variables on both sides. We're just expanding what we already know. So this time I have 6 times the quantity a plus 3 equals 3 times the quantity a plus 34, solve for a. What I notice here is I do have distributive property on both sides, so I'll take care of that first. Remember that 6 times a plus 6 times 3 for 18 is going to equal 3 times a plus 3 times 34, which is 102. Now I need to get the variable pieces on the same side, and I need to get the constant pieces to the same side. So I'm going to go ahead and move my variables to the left. So I'm going to subtract the 3a from both sides. I'm going to erase that because it's not a division. So 6a minus 3a will give me 3 times a plus 18 equals 102. Now I want to subtract that 18 over to the other side. If you have trouble on these, you can always kind of draw yourself a wall to remind yourself what side you're on. So again, 3 times a is going to equal 84, and 3 times a means to finish with a division, so we end up with a equals 28. One more time. 5 times 2k plus 1 is greater than 3 times k plus 4. Again, notice the parentheses, so we've got some distributive property going on. 10 times k plus 5 times 1 is 5, greater than 3 times k plus 3 times 4. Again, I want the two variable pieces, variable terms on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 3 times k. So I have 7 times k plus 5 is greater than 12. Those are gone. Now I'm going to go ahead and move that constant. Again, you can always draw yourself a wall if that's easier. That's gone. 7 times k equals 7. Finishing up with it, not equals, greater than. So k is greater than 1. Now go find the practice sheet with variables on both sides.